How to fix no sound on Facebook videos on iPhone. So here's a complete guide to fix it step by step. First of all, simply check your iPhone is mute or not. Simply drag down the control center from the top right corner of your screen and press the volume up slider to the up and make sure that it is not in mute or silent mode. After that, go back to the home screen by simply restarting your Facebook app, close it and reopen it. Then go back to the home screen. And once you are there, all you have to do is look for the App Store on your device and tap on it. Then tap on the search address bar at the bottom and search for the Facebook app and simply tap on it. Then tap on the update icon available right next to it and update it to the latest version. And that will be. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.